Thank you,
Hi,
Doris.
thank you, Doris. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, we're happy to be here.
So, I wanted to start a podcast mainly to highlight the issues that we experience as individuals or as a society, which are very basically, I don't know if it's stigmatized. I don't know if stigmatized is the word, but very serious, deep conversations that people are not open to talk about, or they are fearful, or there's a lot of shame tied to these things that people experience. And I felt inclined to talk about them, being that I have personally gone through them. Case in point, like GBV, gender-based violence, like abuse of many sorts. And because I didn't want it to be very personal and talk about my story and talk about my own life, because we know how these things go when you're doing them online and you don't want to distract people, I felt like I needed a soundboard and someone who can bring in like another angle to it, where it can be more informative, like in regards to these specific conversations. So my friend Wesh is also passionate about that, but now she was bringing in the angle of it's not personal. Like we are not talking about ourselves. It's a conversation that we want many people to have, so that they can figure out what is eating them up, what is eating us up as a society. Like the things that people are going through at home and the things people have gone through like in the past directly affect adult relationships, adult like engagements, even at work, and like how basically just how you function as an adult. There's things you need to think about. There's things you need to address. You need to get to the root cause of the issues that you're going through as a person. So basically, we promote self-awareness and just questioning yourself, and we talk about these conversations that are a bit tied to shame, so that we can normalize them and make people feel comfortable enough to talk about them and to address them. And then,
Yeah, and for me personally, it's about wellness, mental and emotional wellness, because a lot of wellness, as it is marketed to us today, is very white and very classed, and it's not accessible to everybody. And we wanted to create a platform where people can find tools. We can give tools for how to cope or how to maneuver, especially now with the pandemic and with figuring out, like maybe you don't have a job, or suddenly you have all this time to think, and all the thoughts you've been holding back, all the things you've been avoiding now are there and in your face.
Yeah.
And now you have to deal with it.
Yeah.
And like part of self-actualization is a lot of self-reflection. It's a lot of learning how to be present and how to like where you are. You're not thinking about, what am I going to do 2 hours from now? You're thinking about, I mean, this thing I can fully experience and enjoy it. And that's part of like why this is very important to me, and why it's important for us, even as we now figure out how to raise our children, as we figure out how to have better relationships with each other, better friendships. We're getting to a point where it's important for all of us to be heard and to be loved in a correct way.
Yeah.
And sometimes your past relationships or your home life has shown you what love is. That's what you think it is. But without knowledge and without seeing another type of way that people have relationships, it becomes difficult to recognize when you're in a good one and when you're in a bad one, when there are red flags, and when someone might not necessarily do a horrible thing to you, but they might say something that can be triggering and you don't even know why that is triggering.
Yeah.
And so we want to promote those kinds of conversations, that kind of self-reflection.
Yeah. So I am Sylvia Wanjira.
And I am Shiro Aweru.
Yeah, and we are the hosts of the BTS podcast, Beneath the Surface. And you can find us on Instagram and on Anchor and Spotify and all the platforms.
Major platforms. You can
can
also find us on WordPress. We have a blog, and that's where our show notes are.
Yeah.
And
Just let's keep the conversation going.